Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai P Baro kinikilom ki khobor bam tagasngi. U Director General of Police ka jilla u Dr. R.L. Bishnoi IPS minha ka khat sandrik u kalaling kot arhajar arpulai ulakmen shabapalat ban shimbentalang bat ki khun samla kaniam kathaling jong ka jilla niam ba shillong. Ha ka jingelang ba jongki ya ka bala pelong hasnat niam jongsha. Ka jingshim jong uhe pulit ka jilla u Dr. R.L. Bishnoi IPS ha ka convention ba arpuway kadai ka sin baning kong ki he pulit ka jilla niam ba shillong haringkat ka jinghikai ki samla ha ka baya day ba ka jing im samla ka ba man kasni ban lan naki kambas new khamtam shapang udrok pen sngo u DGP u Dr. R.L. Bishnoi IPS haba pen sngo ye ka jingtran jong u shaki hajar ngut ki samla sngo bha ki khun samla jong ka jilla Meghalaya khamtam ki samla Kristan ban Kiar na udrong namar upin jot ye ka jing im samla jongki Open snowy ki samla ban ong Kiar na udrong ngim kwa ban jon bat day ban nong ki nong ra khubor chaki samla ka jat bin riu Shishu utay uhe pulit open pau ka jing sngongo ba ka buram yu Archbishop Victor Lingdo ka jilaniam shillong ki bala syakar pangi ki pulit ban ay jing hikai ya ki samla ka balang ban tip bat ban pikir ya ka jing kenrai ki jing di buan ha ka imlang ka salang U DGP haringkat ki khun samla ka SACYM ki shimrai ban penpriangi ka khubor babha shakipara samla ban tip batle ya ka babha om ya udrong Hadin katai ka jing ai jing tren u DGP ula penlut poru ban ya kemen bat ki khna red bat ban kedop yakni
Come, you should dance. Yang lah.
It's a big problem in the state of Meghalaya. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India has conducted survey in 2019 in the state of Meghalaya, and they found that there are 2.5 lakh drug abusers in the Meghalaya. So this is a huge figure, and it is really cause of concern for all of us, because large number of youth are falling prey to the drug abuse. We simply cannot afford to lose youth in large number. Once youth start taking drugs, they become totally unprotected. They become liability not only on the family, not only in the society, but for the whole state. Taking care of such a large number of unprotected youth pose a great challenge for the society and state. So we have to fight this problem unitedly, jointly. Challenge is huge, and it should not be left on the shoulders of the police alone. Society has to come forward to cooperate with government and administration so that the drug-free Meghalaya can be created. It is a beautiful state inhabited by very, very humble, simple and beautiful people, but unfortunately many youths start taking drugs, and because of this it is giving very bad name to our society, maybe Khasi, maybe Jaintia, maybe Garo, and as a whole to the state of Meghalaya. So now, for the next 10 minutes or so, I would like to stress upon the basic facts about the drugs. Why youth are taking drugs? Why some are taking drugs, some are not taking? What are the dangerous consequences or effects of the drug abuse? How the parents, the family, the teachers, the friends, the relatives can assist youth to overcome this problem? And what is the way forward for us? So these things we will discuss in little bit detail so that the youth can be aware about the dangerous consequences of the drugs. If they are aware, definitely they will remain away from the drugs.